Hello friends, so today we are going to make chicken stew. For that I've marinated chicken with salt and pepper and I've soaked in few pieces of bread. I've marinated the chicken for about 1 hour. So in a pan I take 1 tablespoon of refined oil and a small piece of butter. On it goes the chopped garlic. I've taken 6 to 7 cloves and 2 chopped chili. We don't want to burn the garlic here, so we quickly add the tomato puree. Once the tomatoes are nicely cooked, we now add the chopped pumpkin, potatoes and the French bean and saute all the vegetables. I've also added the chopped onion. Now in goes the marinated chicken. Fry them for some more time. And now we add the spices. So in goes half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and freshly pounded black pepper. Since the salt is already there in the marination, so we are not adding it now. We might add it later just to adjust the seasoning. Now I've added the water for the stew. Cover it and let the chicken pieces get cooked completely. Now in a blender I've taken the soaked bread and I'll make a paste out of it. When the chicken is properly cooked, we add the paste onto the dish. Cook it for another 5 minutes to get the right consistency that you would want with the stew. I've prepared it with the vegetables that I had with me right now. So there you go, your chicken stew is ready. If you liked it, hit the like button. Thank you.